Hi Maya, hi Lane. Today I want you to think about a wish that you have. You need to have a wish before you begin. So whatever that wish is, put it here and put it here. And we're going to do a little painting of dandelions. Not the yellow flowered dandelions, the ones that turn into the white. When they mature, they turn into these white, fluffy, snowball, cotton looking things. We're going to paint some of those. So I'm going to show you some tricks for how you can make those. You ready? Let's get started. The first option we're going to make is done with cotton and glue. The next option, we're going to need a toilet paper roll, paint, and scissors. The rest of the materials are just extra, kind of like me. Okay, here's a way to do it. Take a glue stick, and I want you to make a circle about the size of the glue stick. Just roll it in a circle. Take a cotton ball, and I want you to grab just a little bit of it, just about that much. And then watch this trick. It's awesome. I'm going to smush it, and I'm going to go in a circle. Now, if I want my dandelion to be bigger, then I could just make a bigger circle. So there's one. Now I'm going to make another one. Maybe I'm going to put this one a little bit higher. But this time, I'm going to make my circle a little bit wider. This is an interesting situation. I'm recording this with my phone balanced on a water glass. See the water glass? Don't try this at home, Maya. Okay, I'm going in a circle. And then, poof. If I pull some of it off, but hold it down, it starts to look like that dandelion, doesn't it? And these little hairs, that makes it even better because that's really what it looks like. I can't wait for summer so you could see this. And then you're gonna know what I'm talking about. I want to add a third one because why not? I like to work in threes. And this one, I'm gonna make. So when you're circling it, try to keep your fingers on the cotton ball. And maybe you get a little glue on your hand. No big deal, just wash it off. So go in a circle. Okay. Oh, this is cool. I love this. Okay, now let's imagine that we're blowing on this dandelion and that the petals are gonna fly off. So imagine that the wind is coming. Which way is the wind gonna come? I'm gonna have it come from here. So that means my petals, or my seedlings, are gonna go that way. Gusty wind. We just had a gusty wind. It was hailing outside. Did you hear the hail? Did you see it? It's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm scraping with my fingernail, but that seems to work. Oh my goodness, this is totally different. I love this. Okay, one more. And again, since the wind's coming from here, then the seedlings of this dandelion would blow that way. Okay, cool. Now, I need some stems because my dandelions are in the grass. So I'm going to just draw a very thin line. And if you have a white colored pencil, that would be perfect. So I'm just going to drag the very edge and make a nice thin line. And maybe this one's going to overlap. So there we go. Those are my 3 dandelions. Ooh, I like that. That was fun. So Maya, hang yours in the window. I want to see. Now, I'm definitely not going to take credit for this because I've totally found this somewhere else. But it looks so neat, it's worth doing. Okay, so you're going to cut your toilet paper roll about halfway up. So figure out where the halfway point is, and you're going to cut lines into it. And for this one, kiddo, you might want to have someone help you. The first part of this. But maybe you're all good cutting with scissors. I don't know yet if you're ready for that. You might be. I hear you're pretty ahead of the curve, so good for you. Maybe you can make one of these for your little sister because that would be so nice, Lane. Okay, so we're going to do this and go all the way around. That one's too thick, so I better cut between it. Don't worry about it. If you mess up, whatever. It's okay, honey. We're just making art and making wishes. And the whole time you're doing this, I want you thinking about that wish. I wish I could go outside and play with you guys, because that would be very fun. Okay, so once you cut your toilet paper roll, start to smush it out and push it down on the table. So you can see the bristles fan out, okay? So push that up and down a few times. If anyone's stuck inside, you can push them out, okay? Next, we're gonna get our paint. Now, any paint you have will work, honey. So just grab some paint. I'm gonna squirt a little bit of paint on here. Now I'm using this color that's not exactly white, but it's what I have in the house, so it's what I'm going to use. I'm going to take a paintbrush or whatever you have, and I'm going to swirl it. This is kind of fun to just swirl it out in a big old circle. So you have to swirl it as wide as your toilet paper roll. Once you're done swirling out your paint, you're going to dip your paintbrush into the paint, and you're going to put those bristles all the way down. And this is going to be pretty quick, but it's pretty cool. So now we're going to go on our paper and we're going to press. And maybe I'm going to put another one on here. And then you can try and get some in the middle too. Now once you've used the brush a few times, it starts to change. So if you want to have more than one brush handy, you should. And it's making all the little texture. Now this brush I made the other day when Emma and I tried this, and I'm reusing it. So what's cool is that now this has become another tool in my toolbox. So it's like stamping. Okay. So once you have your dandelion, then you're going to use the edge, the back side of your toilet paper roll, and you're going to put some paint on the edge of it, and you could just drag a straight line, and that'll look like the stem. So just drag it straight down, and that looks pretty cool. If you take the edges of your brush, let's make it like we just made a wish. So let's imagine these seedling petals are flying away. And I'm going to let those run right off the page. And here comes our wish. We wish to go outside and play together. Soon enough, we will. Okay, and there you go. There's our dandelions. So here's my dandelions, and I also wrote my wish on the back. Maybe you can write your wish on the back too. Maybe someone will help you write your wish on the back. But I wish to play outside with my friends. And soon enough we'll be able to, right? So hang yours up in your window so I can see what you guys made, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.